Everyone, this is Avdut and today is 4th of August 2023. It's 3:45 p.m. and the market is closed. So the day is like this, exactly the way I don't wish the day to be. Today is Friday, so I trade Fin Nifty and the day started with slight down move, then the up move, then again the new down move, and this down move took one of my stop losses. Then this second down move up to this point there was no issue. I was still okay. But these two candles, this one and the next one, these two candles took away most of my puts also. And this reversal again that helped me a bit but not entirely because most of my puts were already gone. So there was no one to take advantage of this reversal again. So this move again, I mean at this point at the top I was at 10,000 rupees profit. Then in this reversal up to this point I was at minus 6,000 or so. And in these two candles everything went haywire. See, since this down move now the candle looks green, but during the day it was going down first, so there was very big spikes in put side premiums which again melted after this up move. But my stop losses were gone at this point, and the worst part is the reversal didn't help me much. Of course, at this point I was at 30,000 rupees loss, and I in the end I was at 28,800 or something. Yeah, so it's not that it didn't help at all, but had my puts stayed a bit, or had this reversal happened 5 minutes earlier, I mean, or 50 points earlier, it would have been a great day. But that's what it is. The markets are like that. Even if you decide to place your stop losses based on the spot moves, so instead of premiums, if you decide to place them on the basis of spot, so for example 50-point move in the spot, I will close my call. 50-point move on the downside, I will close my put, or like that. In that case also the whipsaws always bother you. Whipsaws are something that you cannot handle if you are going for the trendy market. I mean if you are going to take advantage of the trend, the whipsaws are going to crush you. But that's what, because if you are playing for whipsaws, so if I make some strategy, let's say, that will take advantage of this whipsaw, the issue with whipsaw is that you will never know what will be the size of the V shape or the reversal. So if you can see this, see the reversal is from 9, the first move of the reversal, I mean the first part of the V starts from, let's see, 19,850, and here it is 20,044, so around 200 points up move, and then again down move of same 200 points. So you will never know what will be the size of the whipsaw. It can also happen that the 100-point down move, then 100-point up move, and then 100-point down move. So you cannot plan for that. So you have to give a large margin. Let's say you have a strategy that covers 200 points of whipsaw. Then if the trend in the market keeps on going after say 200 points, then you are going to get profit. And if the if the V shape is within 200 points, then you are going to get profit. But then what will happen if the market goes 250 points up and then 250 points down? You can't do anything. So there is no way you can defend. I am specifically talking about Indian market intraday systems. So I am not talking about the overnight systems, that even those fall prey to whipsaws, but those V's are big. So let's say 1000 points down move in the Nifty and then 800 points up move or something like that. But in any case, market changing direction twice, thrice, or maybe 4 times is always harmful to almost any strategy, and you cannot play for both. I mean, there cannot be a strategy that will play for whipsaw as well as trend. So the size of the V has to be limited. So suppose if you take example of last Friday. So today is 4th August. So last Friday was, let me check, 28th July. So let's see the chart of 28th July. 28th July. You see here. So here the total range, day starts here and ends here. The total range is 200 to 20,296, so 300, and here it is 200. So the total range is 100 points. So my system is such that it will handle 100 points of whipsaws. So these are also whipsaws or V shapes also itself. But the point is, these V shapes are not too big to bother my system. So if I keep larger and larger stop losses, to suppose I want to accommodate 200 point whipsaw, so I will have to keep larger stop losses. But in those cases, once my stop loss is taken, I have already given up so much on that leg. Then the trend has to continue to some extent for me to get some profit at least. I'm not talking about 1% or 1.5% profit. At least to get some profit, the trend has to continue. And if after 200 point move, if it comes back, and I have already given big stop loss because I wanted to cover bigger whipsaw, bigger V shape. So at that point, the reversal will hurt me much more. You see, so the trend has to continue, or the reversal has to happen before 200 points move. So either of the two. Otherwise, uh, you are going to get slaughtered, in simple words. So this is what happened today. But even then, I am happy that even after these 200 points V shapes twice a day, my M2M is okay. It's minus 0.7% only. So I'm not complaining. So I'm okay with the loss, because the loss has come after 5, 6, 7 days of continuous profits. So I'm not that uncomfortable for now. So let's see what happens in the next week, because this month has started well. I want this month to continue doing well, and I'm hoping for a big month this month, because last month wasn't so great. So even if I had executed everything perfectly in the last month, it would have been maybe 0.7, 0.8% profit for the whole month. So this month I am thinking I need a big month to cover up those underperformance of the last month. So let's see what happens on Monday. So till then, enjoy the weekend. Thank you.